Diabetes does not require you to give up all of your favorite foods, but it does require you to make healthier food choices. Eating a lot of fruits and vegetables, which are high in nutrition yet low in calories, is a smart option. Some fruits and vegetables are more beneficial to diabetes management than others. Look for produce with a low glycemic index and low glycemic load, which means it won't increase your blood sugar. To strengthen your bones and supply beneficial gut bacteria, consume plenty of calcium and probiotic-rich dairy foods. Low-fat milk, kefir, and Greek yogurt are all good sources. These items are vital in any diabetes diet, yet you don't even need a fork or a spoon to eat them. You can get a lot of nourishment plus a tasty treat out of one smoothie. You can have these snacks on a daily basis if you use healthy ingredients and don't add excessive sweeteners. Just remember to count the fruits you blend into your smoothies as part of your daily fruit limit so you don't go overboard on carbs. If you consume too much natural sugar, your blood sugar will rise. Here are 5 delicious diabetes smoothie ideas to get you started.
Our eating habits affect balance in the body, and a poor diet, sedentary lifestyles, and obesity affect pancreatic function. Fortunately, the increase in blood sugar can be treated with natural foods because it's a process that takes time and can be reversible. So for diabetics, maintaining a healthy diet is crucial. They need foods that are rich in nutrients and help regulate the pancreas. Here are homemade recipes that you can incorporate into your menu if you are fighting diabetes. They will complement any necessary treatment to regulate blood sugar levels. 1. Strawberry banana protein smoothie. With a whopping 25 grams of protein in one serving, this smoothie is perfect for replacing a protein shake after a workout. Even better is it's made with only 4 ingredients. Ingredients: -4 strawberries, -1 banana, -1 scoop vanilla protein powder, -1 teaspoon flaxseed water. Instructions: put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until fully mixed. Add water. Start out with just a little water and then slowly add as much as you like to get the right consistency. Serve over ice or use frozen berries to give the smoothie a thicker, almost slush ice consistency. 2. Kiwi, apple and spinach smoothie. This is an essential vitamin mix for diabetics. It improves digestion, relieves inflammation, and helps activate metabolic functions. Ingredients: 3 cups water, 4 ripe kiwis, 6 leaves of spinach, 2 green apples. Preparation: peel the kiwis and blend them along with the other ingredients until you get the desired consistency. Try to drink this vitamin 3 times a day, 2 to 3 times a week. If you want to improve your eating habits or if you're looking for new menu options for diabetics, simply include these drinks in your daily routine, mixing them together for more healthy options. 3. Spinach, cucumber and green apple smoothie. The antioxidants and fiber in this drink reduce glucose levels and combat both high cholesterol and high blood pressure. It's important to add it to your menu because it stimulates the elimination of toxins and controls the inflammation. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber, 6 leaves of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 glass of water. Preparation: wash the ingredients before placing them in the blender. Blend everything evenly and drink 2 to 3 times a week. 4. Strawberry and papaya vitamin smoothie. In addition to being delicious, this smoothie should be added to a diabetic diet because it contains enzymes that improves the function of the pancreas. Ingredients: 6 ripe strawberries, 3 slices of papaya, 1/2 cup water, 5 tablespoons natural yogurt. Preparation: blend the ingredients for 2 minutes until smooth. Drink this smoothie before or during breakfast. Make it a part of your breakfast routine 3 times during the week. 5. Tomato, parsley and olive oil vitamin mix. Adding this to your healthy diet has the ability to decrease the risk of diabetes and to control circulatory issues. Ingredients: 3 sprigs of parsley, 3 ripe tomatoes, 1 green apple, 1/2 glass of water, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Preparation: wash and cut the ingredients, then place them in the blender. Blend everything evenly and drink the vitamin on an empty stomach up to 3 times a week.